What's up, guys? Coming at you from Gymage Miami with my friend Arianna. We're about to train legs, and she's actually. What are you training for?
Training bikini and bikini.
And you're how many weeks out?
About 8 weeks.
8 weeks out, guys. So this will be a little, a little something different for you guys. We do a leg workout, mainly quads. How do you usually do it?
Yeah, like mainly quads and glutes.
Okay.
One session for sure. Maybe focus a little bit on the upper glutes, you know?
What do you usually do it then?
We do like Tuesdays like upper glutes and quads, and then on a Thursday we do hammies and glutes, and then Saturday I train like full on legs.
So you're training legs 3 times a week?
Yeah.
Holy shit. Okay, so I'll ask you some more questions throughout the workout, but we're going to start with pre-workout hyperload. We're going to zoom in there a little bit. Hyperload, we're going to do 1 scoop to start the workout. No, I'm not going to dry scoop it. I'm going to do like this.
Is it too intense to dry scoop, you think?
You can try dry scooping, but I'm just going to mix it in.
I'm going to dry scoop it.
Oh God, here we go. All right, let's get it. Leg day. Let's go.
That was good.
Okay, guys, so first exercise, leg extensions. You can go ahead. So we're doing 5 sets by 15 reps here. Okay, and the key with leg extensions is don't lock out your knees. Okay, so keep the tension on your quads. So notice she's not locking out her legs at the top, and then squeeze the top. There you go. I'm not counting, so just go. Just 15. So first set, leg extensions to warm up. There you go.
Whew.
So that was your second?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, increase weight every set. That's what you've been doing, right?
Yeah. I think we started in 40 or no. I don't know.
So notice, guys, I'm not going, I'm not locking out my legs. Well, first of all, I can't lock out my legs because my knees are messed up, but I'm holding the top right there. Squeeze, squeeze, but not completely straight. There we go. 1, 2. Hit my hand, 3, 4. There you go. So good. 8, come on. 9, 10. 5 more. 2, 3, 1. 1 more. There you go. Good. Okay, guys, last set here, and I did want to say this is we're just warming up our legs with these leg extensions, but we are increasing weight each set. But nothing crazy. This is still the first exercise. 15 reps still. 3. 8, 9. Okay, guys, second exercise is this squat machine. I would just call this plate-loaded squat machine. So we're gonna do 4 sets, and the rep scheme, I was just telling Arianna today, is gonna be 16, 12, 10, 8. So 16, 12, 10, 8 with the idea, start light and gradually increase each set, and then by that last set, 8 reps, today's gonna be heavy. 8 reps is gonna be a little heavy weight, for me anyways, because usually I'll do high reps for legs. What do you usually do for legs? High reps?
High reps.
Yeah, we usually do high reps. So today's a little different, 16, 12, 10, 8. Okay, this is my second set with this one, so we're 12. Or 8. Okay, guys, so last set on leg press, 8 reps. Same idea. I was telling Arianna to go slow on the negative. So when I do this set, really watch the negative, how I control it. And then remember on leg press, don't lock out your legs. Keep constant tension.
Nice.
All right, here we go.
Let's get it. You got this. Yeah, 100%. 1, 2, 3. 3 more.
3 more, that was only 3.
That was 3? I thought you were doing, oh, we're doing 8. 6, 7. 1 more. You got it. Nice. You got it? Ooh.
The exercise.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, yeah.
So right now we're about to do some RDLs. So I just want to give you guys a quick little tip. When you do RDLs, you want to like hinge in the hip, really sending the hips back and keep that butt out. And you're going to hinge, going down and keeping that tension. You don't want to fully extend. So you're going to hinge at the hip and keep right here. So you're really keeping that tension in the hammies. So it's going to look more like this. So really like hinging the hips, going down. And coming up right here, really keeping that tension in the hamstrings and pushing your hips out. You want to pretend you're kind of like closing a door with your ass, your butt. Yeah.
Thanks, Ed.
Woo.
Okay, guys, last exercise here is walking lunges, and we're doing with the camber bar, with the easy curl bar on our back. Go ahead. So, guys, on this one, if you do a big step, it's more hamstring glutes. Closer step is more quad. So you're doing like in between. Yeah, so go to this machine.
Okay. Okay.
One more step. Okay, turn around, let's go. Is that easy?
Yeah, it's getting hard now.
Let's go to the replay, yeah.
Okay.
Let's do it back and forth. Remember to breathe, too. Breathe. Don't forget to breathe and do this, because it's basically like cardio.
Whew. Yeah.
There you go, keep going. Keep going. 2 more steps here, Alan.
Oh.
How was the workout?
The workout was awesome. Awesome.
How do you
Feel great. Heavy shit, good workout, good gym. Good.
Yeah. So I appreciate you coming down. This is Arianna. Guys, I'm gonna finish the workout with protein and creatine. I'll have Enrique put my code right there. Everything's in the description. Comment, subscribe. Let me know how you like the video. And thanks for watching, guys. Peace.